morning, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, I would just like to thank all my new subscribers. Guys, you've been showing up and you've been showing out and you've been showing your girl some love. So I would love to thank you. And to all of my Diva family that's already a part of the Diva family, guys, you know I want to thank you for all your love and all your support, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, so guys, today's video is going to be a DIY video that I'm going to mirror some furniture and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So guys, if you want to see how I turn this into this, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is one of the nightstands that I will be working on today. This is the one on my side of the bed, and in a minute I'll show you the one on my hubby's side of the bed. And I got these from Walmart years ago, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago, and I wanted to change the color to black to match my headboard at that time, but I decided that I didn't want that, and I was looking at mirrored furniture, and then I decided I wanted to mirror it, okay, to turn it into a mirrored piece of furniture. So I am so excited about doing this video, guys, and bringing you along with me. So we're gonna be doing this thing together. Now let me show you the one on my hubby's side. Okay, so this is the one on hubby's side. And yes, it's a different color, I know. And this is because, guys, I started off doing this project to mirror it like 5 or 6 years ago. And it's going to be spray painted silver around the edges where the mirror will not be at. And when I did this 5 or 6 years ago, I started this and I never finished it, okay? But we're going to finish this today together, guys. Yes. Okay, and we're going to see how it comes out because you're going to be coming along with me. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so right here I am showing you all the items that I will be using today. And these are the mirrors that I got cut at Lowe's. If you take your measurements to Lowe's, they will cut your mirrors for free. You just have to pay for the mirror. And these are mirrors for 2 nightstands. Okay, so this is the nightstand that I spray painted around the edges where the mirrors is not going to be at. And I use silver spray paint. It's called the Metallic 2X. And I would recommend this because it is real shiny. It's a real shiny metallic and it has good coverage. It's been raining for the last couple of days, so I could not film this for you guys, so I just did this off camera when it wasn't raining. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my mirror adhesive, and I'm only going to be like taking it down the middle and not all the way to the edges, because if you put it all the way to the edges, you'll out the bottom of the mirror, you'll have
Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth the merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, if you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you, night turning to morning too. Then you feel it rushing in, lose control. You don't wanna go slow. For sure, we both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. You need